Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello guys, in this video we are going to make some interesting hack from matchboxes. In the first hack we need matchbox, then we are going to cover it with the glitter sheet, then cut the front part of matchbox. Put glue on matchbox and also on pencil sharpener. Now wait for the glue to get dry. And a beautiful pencil sharpener is ready. You can also decorate it by your choice. Now in the next hack we need two matchboxes, then apply glue on both matchboxes and join them and wait for glue to dry. The matchboxes with any color sheet you want. After that we need a small rectangular piece of cardboard. After that wrap the cardboard piece with any color sheet. Now apply glue on the matchboxes and on the rectangular cardboard piece and then join them and wait for them to dry. Paint the inner part of matchbox so it would look nice. You can also decorate the matchboxes so it would look more beautiful. Like this video, subscribe my YouTube channel, share this video. Beautiful pencil marker stand is ready.